In this video, I'll show you how you can change your audio output in Windows 11. I'll also show you how you can change your default output device. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to your volume icon, which is going to be in the bottom right. Right click on that and then go to sound settings. Now, once you're in sound settings, you're going to have some settings regarding your sound. Obviously, you're going to have your output and your input settings. Now, by default, you will have one default device, which we can customize later. Now, right now, we have, in my case, the headphones selected to play sound. So if I wanted to change that, I could go ahead and select the speakers. From now on, the sound will come out of my speakers. Now, obviously, you can choose whatever device you have here. Maybe you have more than one device and you want to toggle which device you want to listen to audio from. Now, if you wanted to make a specific device default, you could go ahead and click on that device and you can see here set as default sound device. This is the default sound device for audio. And these are my headphones. So what that means is whenever my headphones are connected, it is going to default the sound to that device. It's very easy to do this. You can also do the same for your input. And if you go to advanced and go to all sound devices, you can see it more clearly and you can again click on the devices and make them default. You can also optimize the volume and the left and right ear channels. So that's how you can do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.